Start.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aisha Banga. I am telling about water fountain. This is my friend Ishika. Now Ishika is telling about how we make water fountain. So first we will need a used empty bottle, and then we have to put a hole, then the straw will go in. We put water, and if you want to make rainbow, we can add a little food color. And you can see this balloon. My mama will blow it and it will be at the top. Let's see what happens. So first you need to take an empty bottle, then we have to do a hole, put in the straw, and then we fill up the water and we can add our favorite food color. I have mixed red and yellow, and now Sasha slowly release the balloon.
Awesome, girls. So, what is happening? This is magic.
Wow. Ishika, how this matter? Let me tell you, Saisha. The air was pressing in the water, and that's how it came up from the straw and it started to fountain. So this is called air pressure. Oh.